was the dad that switched this for us? You rock, but we were like, we decided like, we want to change a few things for you because you saw it yesterday. So we were going to change it to later, like in the end, so when you guys looked, it would be flipped. So funny because she went and she goes, she's like,
Good job.
thank you.
Oh yeah.